Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here is another digital SAT math question given. We have been given a triangle. For the right triangle shown, the value of A is given as 4, B is 5. A is 4, B is 5. Which expression represents the value of C? Sometimes when students see the 4 and 5, they will just go ahead and say that, okay, the third side is the 3. There is a special triangle, 3, 4, 5, where the 5 is for hypotenuse in that case. But in this case, this is not in our hypotenuse. This is just the value of B. The C is the hypotenuse in here. So based on the Pythagorean theorem, the formula to get the C is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared here. So in this case, C squared will be, if you will just go ahead and substitute the other given values. For A, you've been given as 4, then it's gonna be 4 squared plus 5 squared. And when we go ahead and calculate the values, C squared is going to be equal to 4 squared is 16 plus 25. And so technically, if you will just go ahead and calculate these, you will just get 41. But the thing is, if you will just pay attention to choices, in the choice A, you've been given 4 plus 5. In the choice B, 4 times in the root, 4 times 5. Again, in the root 4 plus 5, or in the root 4 squared plus 5 squared. In this step, you don't have to just go ahead and add them. In this step of the question, you can just stop. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You can, to get the value of C, you're going to get square root of both sides, don't you? Because square root is the opposite operation of square. So then the C will be square root of 4 squared plus 5 squared. They want you to find the value in this format, so you don't have to just go ahead and say that this is gonna be square root of 41. So the answer is, right choice for this problem is D in this case. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Hope to see you around.